Hello. And I have something new for you today. Yeah, something new, definitely new. You probably heard of it. I hope you haven't, because then it won't be new anymore. So, what led to this? Yes, you need a build up. What led to this was wondering, how can I, what's the word, be more efficient with my use of data? Because it seems you're not getting any good packages these days. Yeah, Vodafone has reduced the amount of data that you get with the money that you pay for. So it's some way. And so I was wondering, how can I keep track of my data without having to go to settings and then go to data usage there to now look through and see which apps are consuming my data, because that whole process turns me off. It just makes me like, you make I just blow the temporary, which doesn't help in the long run. So my search led me to come across this app, and the app is good. The app is good. Unfortunately though, it's solely Android based. Solely Android based. But then there are iOS substitutes. Personally, not as good as the app I'm about to recommend, but also alright. So let me build it out. Among apps in that category were Radio Opt, Traffic Monitor, and 3G and 4G speed, which doesn't just keep track of your data usage but also helps you check your speed. It has a speed test built into it, helps you know which geographic locations have the best speeds. So if you move around a lot, you like this app. It will let you know, oh, okay, maybe when you are in Dome, you enjoy about maybe 10 megabits per second, but when you are here in Bawe, it's 20 megabits per second, but when you go all the way to Kumasi, it's 40 megabits per second. It lets you know all the hotspots, literally. Then you move to Glasswire. Glasswire data usage monitor. Now this is a great app for laptops and desktops, but for phone, well, I'm here to test it out, but I don't think it will be as good as apps that were built exclusively for mobile devices, because Glasswire was built in the beginning stages for use by laptops and desktops. So this is the mobile adaptation, which is also very versatile. It has some interesting features as well, the basics. Then there's an app literally called data usage, and what they did is, lazy people. Okay, if you are listening, you are not lazy. I think what they did is they picked from the settings. If you go to your settings and go to data usage, the same screen you see there, that interface, they in a sense copied, I don't know how they did it, the layout and then the interface and everything about it, and built an app. So when you tap that app, it gives you that same display. So you might as well have just gone to settings, but it gives you that ease of access. It's just a tap away, which is also cool and convenient. Then there's DataMan Next, which is exclusively for iOS devices. I think, as usual, Android people have found a way to get it. So there is an APK for Android users as well. But you can get DataMan Next on your iOS devices, as usual, an iOS app. So it's clean and smooth. Very nice one. I just saw some images. I haven't tested it, but I trust it. Now the build up is over. So the app I would love to recommend is called Data Usage Data Manager. So if you are looking for it on the web, you find the browser of your choice, go to the address bar and type Data Usage Data Manager APK download for Android devices, and any of the links there will take you where you need to go. The download starts, it's done, you tap to install. Are you sure? Yes. Once it's installed, you tap open and we are in. Now what I love about this app is what I'll show you soon. I'll have to cast my phone screen, so I'm moving over to a different tab. So this is the app. I just opened it, and as you can see here, you see this thing position, and I've enabled the center one, not top or bottom, and you see in a minute what this means. But if you go back, this is what you see when you open the app. This will greet you. So once I tap that circle with the color coded uh, lines around it, once I tap it, it gives me a detailed history or a detailed account of how much data I've spent in just the day, bruh. So like, yeah, the highest is 208.8 megabytes on YouTube, right? And that's just for the day. So if I tap weekly, it gives me weekly, and when I tap monthly, I get one monthly as well. And even my monthly class, some boys they are daily, that be my monthly, bam. So I'll try. So 561.9 megabytes so far. And that's what I've been shown. Now that's not even the best part. So let's say I open Dream League. Wait for it. I think it was, oh yeah, 123.6 megabytes. It just came on the screen in the middle, letting me know that I've spent 123.6 megabytes today. And I see it as soon as I open the app. Let me try the browser. Boom, 88.4 megabytes. So I get the chance to know, yo, bro, I've spent this much. And so the next time I open, I have in my mind that, yo, it was 88 the last time. And I did some few things. So I'm opening this time. I wonder how much I had used. So when I open next time, I see 92 or something like, oh, okay, just 4 megabytes. Nice, that's cool. And if I open YouTube and I see the alert, let me try that quickly. Boom, 208.8. So I know what I'm about to do. Once I'm done and I come back again, there should be an increment and it should be a reasonable increment. So it's really cool. It's really cool. A really nice way to keep track of your data. So I think I went to data tracker. I enabled it. It needs to be enabled. And then you choose the position you want that quick alert to pop up on your screen when you open the app. And I love the center. It's in my face. I can't ignore it. Top or bottom, it's also equally good. There are also beautiful features. And of course, there's always the chance to upgrade. And that's about $1.99 for the premium version, which is cool, which is really cool. I've not done it yet, bro. You know the reasons. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Data usage data manager. Check out the APK. I'm sure you love it.